Hi, what's up YouTube? It's me, Dan Cabrera. It's another D unboxing day. And today we're gonna unbox two figures from Banpresto Vibration Stars. We have Sasuke Kid version and also Boruto. So first of all, kung di pa kayo na-subscribe sa akin channel, please do hit that like button, subscribe button, and also that notification bell para naman updated kayo kapag meron tayong bagong unboxing video. So today we're gonna unbox two figures. So we have here Boruto and also the Sasuke Kid version made by Bandai Spirits and Banpresto. This is the Vibration Stars line. So kung di nyo pa napapanood, kaka-unbox lang natin ng dalawang figures din from Vibration Stars, which is yung Naruto na matanda na, yung adult version, and also the Naruto Kid version, which is partnered siya dito sa Sasuke Kid version, no? So tara, wag na natin patagalin pa. Let's unbox. So okay guys, that is our quick unboxing of Boruto and the kid version of Sasuke made by Bandai Spirits, Banpresto, in the line of Vibration Stars. So yeah, that's it. Nakita nyo naman yung comparison nila with other Vibration Stars figures. So yun, napakaganda rin naman nitong Sasuke and bulky, ang daming parts. Nakita nyo naman mismo dun sa pag-unboxing. Nahihiwalay yung kamay niya, nahihiwalay yung shuriken. So if you want na naka-remove yung shuriken, pwede naman. Issue ko lang dito sa Sasuke, no? When you display it, medyo nakaharang talaga yung kamay niya sa mukha. It's better siguro kung binaba nila ng konti yung harang na kamay sa mukha, no? And then, yung kunay niya, which is na nasa bibig, medyo tabingi. So, makokorek naman yun through time, no? Medyo bended lang. Dito naman sa Boruto, wala namang problema. It's a clean figure. And okay na okay din itabi dun sa Naruto adult version. So yun lang naman. Kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please do hit that like button, subscribe button, and also that notification bell. Pasensya na kung medyo natagalan tayo sa mga unboxing. Sobrang busy lang in the past few weeks. But yeah, we're back on track. And yeah, see you guys on the next video. Always stay safe and God bless. Peace.